planes. Okay guys, just ignore the sounds. Okay. By the way, I already voice revealed in my cousin's video. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be so fun. Wait, what? My plane going wrong direction. Oh, now why am I gonna take off on the grass? Okay, finally I took off. Guys, this is your captain speaking. Fasten your seat belts. We're actually just shaking. Some of them are fighting now because this. Okay, yeah, I give up. I left my seat because they are annoying me. Wow. Okay. Already 1 minute. Okay, see you guys in my next video.